Good morning, children. Welcome to Nath Home Connect. Today we are going to learn Class 6 Mathematics Tables. Day 5. So let us see tables in a tricky way. So 14 table. 14 table lo left side 1 and right side 4. So write as it is. Meeku telusu kada trick. So write one table here. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. So 14 lo right side number is 4. So write 4 table. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. Now let us compare this. 1 4 that is 14. 2 8 that is 28. So let us use the trick. So here box is there, in the box 3 and 1. So just add that number. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. And write 2 as it is. That is 42. Now here 4 plus 1. Now add just 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. And write 6 as it is. That is 56. Now 5 plus 2. Here in box 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. And then write 0. That is 70. Now here is the table of 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. Okay, is it clear? Now let us go to 6th step. From 6th step onwards, let us see. So one table from 6th step. 1 6 are 6. 1 7 are 7. 1 8 are 8. 1 9 are 9. 1 10 are 10. Now 4th table from 6th step. 6th step nunchi chuddam. 4 6 are 24. 4 7 are 28. 4 8 are 32. 4 9 are 36. 4 10 are 40. So is it clear? Now let us use the trick here. So in box, what is the number? 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. And write 4 as it is. That is 84. Now 7 plus 2. In box 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. And write as it is. That is 98. Now 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. And write 2 as it is. That is 112. Now 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. And write 6 as it is. That is 126. Now 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 how much? 4. Sorry, not 0 plus 4. 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. And write 0 as it is. That is 140. Here is the 14th table from 6th step. 14 6 are 84. 14 7 are 98. 14 8 are 112. 14 9 are 126. 14 10 are 140. Now from 11th step, let us see. So write one table from 11th step. 1 11s are 11. 1 12s are 12. 1 13s are 13. 1 14s are 14. 1 15s are 15. Now here fourth table from 11th step. Fourth table 11th step nunchi. 4 11s are 44. 4 12s are 48. 4 13s are 52. 4 14s are 56. 4 15s are 60. Now let us use the trick. Here is the trick. So in box 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4 how much? 11 plus 4 is 15. And write 4 as it is. That is 154. Now 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. And write as 8 as it is. That is 168. Now 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. And write 2 as it is. That is 182. Now 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5 is 19. And write 6 as it is. That is 196. Now 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6 how much? 15 plus 6 is 21 and write 0 as it is. That is 210. Here is the 14 table from 11th step. 11th step nunchi chuddam ippudu. So 14 11s are 154. 14 12s are 168. 14 13s are 182. 14 14s are 196. 14 15s are 210. Is it clear? 14 table. Now let us go to another table. So here 15th table. So let us see 15th table in left side 1 and right side 5. So let us write the 1 table here. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. Now let us go to 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Now compare this. 1 5 is 15. Now let us use the trick here. So in box 2 and 1 is there. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and write 0 as it is. Now 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 and write 5 as it is. That is 45. Now 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6 and write 0 as it is. That is 60. Now 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7 and write 5 as it is. That is 75. Now here is the 15 table. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. Is it clear? Now 15th table from 6th step. So write one table from 6th step. 1 6 are 6. 1 7 are 7. 1 8 are 8. 1 9 are 9. 1 10 are 10. Now right side 5 table from 6th step. 5 6 are 30. 5 7 are 35. 5 8 are 40. 5 9 are 45. 5 10 are 50. Now let us use the trick. 6 plus 3 in box. 6 plus 3 is there. 6 plus 3 how much? 9. And write 0 as it is. That is 90. Now 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 how much? 7 plus 3 is 10 and write 5 as it is, that is 105. Now 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 how much? 12 and write 0 as it is, that is 120. Now 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 13 and write 5 as it is, that is 135. Now 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 how much? 15 and write 0 as it is, that is 150. So here is the 15th table from 6th step. 15 6 90. 15 7 105. 15 8 120. 15 9 135. 15 10 150. Is it clear? Now let us go to one table from 11th step. So as it is, 1 11 11. 1 12 12. 1 13 13. 1 14 14. 1 15 15. And right side 5 table from 11th step. 5 11 55. 5 12 60. 5 13 65. 5 14 70. 5 15 75. Now let us use the trick. So in box 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 is 16 and write 5 as it is. 5 ne ade vidhanga raskochu. So the answer is 165. Now 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is 18 and write 0 as it is. That is 180. Now 13 plus 6. 13 plus 6 is 19 and write 5 as it is. That is 195. Now 14 plus 7. 14 plus 7 is 21 and now write 0 as it is. That is 210. Now 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7 is 22 and write 5 as it is. Okay. Is it clear? Now here is the 15 table from 11th step. 15 11s are 165. 15 12s are 180. 15 13s are 195. 15 14s are 210. 15 15s are 225. Okay, is it clear? Now let us go to another table. So 16 table, same way we have to write 16 table. So left side 1 is there, so write 1 table. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. Now right side 6 is there. 6 number undi kabatti, so write 6 table. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. So let us compare this. 1 6 is 16. Now let us use the trick here. Box. In box 2 plus 1 is there. 2 plus 1 how much? 3 and write 2 as it is. That is 32. Now 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 and write 8 as it is. That is 48. Now 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6 and write 4 as it is. That is 64. Now 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8 and write 0 as it is. Here is the 16th table. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. Now from 6th step let us go. One table from 6th step. 1 6 are 6. 1 7 are 7. 1 8 are 8. 1 9 are 9. 1 10 are 10. Now right side 6 table from 6th step. 6 6 are 36. 6 7 are 42. 6 8 are 48. 6 9 are 54. 6 10 are 60. Now let us use the trick. So in box 6 plus 3 is there. 6 plus 3 how much? 9. And write 6 as it is. That is 96. Now 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11 and write 2 as it is. That is 112. Now 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12 and write 8 as it is. That is 128. Now 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14 and write 4 as it is. That is 144. Now 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 16 and write 0 as it is. That is 160. So here is the 16th table from 6th step. Let us see. 16 6 are 96. 16 7 are 112. 16 8 are 128. 16 9 are 144. 16 10 are 160. Is it clear? Now let us see from 11th step. So here is the table. So write one table from 11th step. 1 11s are 11. 1 12s are 12. 1 13s are 13. 1 14s are 14. 1 15s are 15. So right side 6 table from 11th step. 6 11s are 66. 6 12s are 72. 6 13s are 78. 6 14s are 84. 6 15s are 90. Now let us use the trick. So here box is there. In box 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6 how much? 11 plus 6 is 17 and write 6 as it is. That is 176. Now 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 is 19 and write 2 as it is. That is 192. Now 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7 is 20 and write 8 as it is. That is 208. Now 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8 is 22 and write 4 as it is. Okay. Now 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9 is 24 and write 0 as it is. So here is the 16th table from 11th step. So let us read this. 16 11s are 176. 16 12s are 192. 16 13s are 208. 16 14s are 224. 16 15s are 240. ఇదే విధంగా ఈ ట్రిక్ యూజ్ చేసి మీరు ఎన్ని స్టెప్స్ అన్నా చాలా ఈజీగా రాసేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? అందరికీ అర్థమైంది కదమ్మా? సో ప్రాక్టీస్ దీస్ టేబుల్స్. హ్యావ్ ఏ నైస్ డే చిల్డ్రన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.